Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. Today I'm here with some exciting news. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro update is finally here. I know, because I have the 6 and the 6 Pro, and I downloaded on both of them, and it's got a January 5th security patch update. So I had the November patch on one phone, and the December patch on the other one, downloaded on both of them, both running their unlocked models from Google, running on AT&T. If you've got the December update already, if you had that, it's about a 40 megabyte update. And if you have the November update, it's about 220 megabytes. But I got it. It's on here. Of course, this is probably going to be a larger impact for many of you as opposed to me. So if you've been having issues with your phone, this is huge for you. If you've been having a lot of problems, this is supposed to be the end-all, be-all, the big fix, as it were, to fix your phone. So hopefully this fixes the connectivity issues, the screen issues, the battery issues, the heat. Hopefully it fixes a lot of stuff. This is like NyQuil. Just take everything and throw it all in there and hope it fixes all your phone symptoms. So if you don't know how to download it, if you don't have auto updates on, then you're going to have to go into the settings. It's really, really easy to do. So all you do, swipe down from the top of the screen, go to your settings, then go down to system, and then there's an option here for system update. And whenever you click on that, it'll give you the option, check for update, and then if it's there, it should be good to go. If you don't have it yet, they typically do kind of a phased rollout with this, but both of mine were available immediately, so that gives me hope that hopefully most people can get it ASAP. So I'm in the US. I don't know how this applies internationally in other countries, but they said they were going to start pushing it out towards the end of January, and it seems like they bumped that up. I don't know. Maybe it's because I made so many videos saying that there were problems. I don't really know.Maybe it's because MKBHD finally tweeted and said, I'm not using this phone. I can't recommend it anymore until it gets updated. So it's funny how he finally says something, a couple million followers and a dozens of millions of YouTube subscribers. And then finally, magically, hey, the Pixel patch is ready, guys. So download it, test it out. Hopefully this fixes everything. If it doesn't, please come back, sign up in the comment section. I'm going to put a poll up. I am genuinely curious to see if this fixes people's connectivity issues. I haven't been experiencing them myself. So this is very important for you guys out there who have been experiencing these problems. Please come back and let me know. Did it fix it? Did it make it better? Did it make it worse? Are you going to throw your Pixel in the trash can? Are you going to recommend a friend to go buy one now? What's your story? What are your thoughts on it? And hopefully this fixes it. So real short and sweet, to the point. Just want to let you guys know, because not a lot of people have auto updates on. Not a lot of people check for manual updates all the time. So somebody informed me that they got the download today. I downloaded it. It does take a while to install. It took about half an hour on both of my phones. So I heard before that the original December update was taking a long time. Some people saying upwards of an hour. Make sure you have it plugged in. Make sure you have plenty of battery if it's not plugged in. And then go ahead, download it, start the installation process, and hopefully you'll be cooking with gas. You'll be ready to go. Again, I can't promise it's going to be available for everyone right now, but they are rolling it out. I've got it on both my phones. That was very reassuring, because last time, we waited several days and nothing showed up. So I think that they're going to get this pushed out quick, fast, and in a hurry. Go check it out. Get your update now, hopefully, and then come back, please, and let me know whether it fixed it. But happy Pixel 6 and 6 Pro patch day is finally here. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe and little notification bell and all that cool stuff. And as always, thanks for being here. Happy Pixel time. And I'll see you guys next time.